Welcome back to Aussie Coinage Hunters. Well, today I received another parcel in the mail from the Royal Australian Mint, and I think this is what I've been waiting for. I've already cut the tape, so I'm going to see this for the first time, just like you. And yep, it is what I've been waiting for. So it's the second coin in the series for the Star Dreaming. This is the Seven Sisters. So there's what this is all about, this coin. If it wants to focus. There we go. So you can pause the video and have a read. This is just what the coin's about and what it represents. So yeah, so it comes in this nice packaging just like the last one, the emu in the sky. I've been waiting for this one because the design, I really like the design, so it'll be interesting to see how nice it is in person. Okay. Here it is. It's a nice design. Half-ounce silver. There was 5,000 minted, and these sold out within a few weeks. So they're unavailable now from the mint, and you just got to buy them off the secondary market. Just like the emu in the sky, these were $70 retail, and now these are fetching well over $100. There's certificate of authenticity. This one's 201. And we'll just take this out and have a look at the back. So there you go. Half-ounce, 99.9% silver, 5,000 minted, and yeah. Take it out and have a look. From what I understand, there is going to be a third coin in the series. We don't know what it will be yet, but I'll be getting one to complete my Star Dreaming series. So yeah, I think that one will be as hot as both of these, the Seven Sisters and the emu in the sky. We'll get a closer look if it wants to focus. Oh, there we go. And there's the back of the JC effigy, Queen Elizabeth II, $1 value. Yeah, so let me know what you think of these coins. Is it something you like to collect, or you think they're overpriced? It is a collectible coin, so these won't be released for circulation, of course, which is why they demand a premium. It's more so for collectors. So yeah, I actually like them, so that's why I collect these coins. I do have others from previous years from the Royal Australian Mint and also the Perth Mint. I might do a video on them, but as these are 2020, I'll do the video on these. Yeah, be sure to subscribe, as I've got something coming up which is unique. It's to do with the 1983 20-cent coin. And yeah, an interesting story with that coin and the 84. But I've got something unique with the 83. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of this coin, the Seven Sisters half-ounce silver coin. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.